stop!
Hey!
Oh no! Help me!
Help me!
Huh?
Oh my gosh! Ah!
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
Hey!
Yeah!
A few moments later.
Hello! Yeah!
Bye.
The water pipe is broken. Quickly run. At a construction site, Hulk drives an excavator, shovels sand into the tractor's trunk. Sand buckets are shoveled onto the truck.
A blue water pipe is exposed.
Okay, bro.
Bye!
I'm so hungry. I have to go find something to eat.
Oh, something seems wrong. Oh, is the water pipe cracked? What happened? No, it's not just cracking. Oh no, the water pipe is broken.
The whole city suddenly lost water.
At Mario's castle. Huh? What's going on? Mario runs to find the cause. There's also no water here.
No.
Oh my gosh!
Mario drives his tractor to buy a new water pipe. Raw material store.
Hello!
The water pipe is broken. I need to find a new one.
Okay. The water pipe is big and heavy.
So Main Chicken needs a crane.
The water pipe is pulled up safely, then placed into the tractor's trunk.
Okay.
Very good. Here you are.
Thank you.
Bye!
Mario excitedly carries the water pipe back. The tractor goes down a steep road. Oh, be careful, Mario.
No.
Mario uses all his strength to push the water pipe, but is not successful. Hey, Main, you have to help me. The water pipe is too big and heavy.
I'm coming right away.
Very quickly, Main is present and helps Mario.
Hello!
After that, both of them drive to the construction site together.
Go!
At the construction site, Hulk comes back and is extremely frightened.
Oh no!
Hey!
Hello, Hulk.
Hulk, did you break the water pipe?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Crane truck lifts the water pipe into the replacement position. The water pipe is slowly lowered. Very snug.
Yahoo!
So, the chicken main is done.
Bye-bye. Thanks so much, bro.
What is Hulk going to do? Well, Hulk drives an excavator, shovels sand to cover the exposed water pipe. The road gradually returns to its original state. Well, so the road is beautiful again.
Thank you so much, Mario.
Please work more carefully, Hulk. Mario goes back to the castle. That's right, we have to check a bit. Yeah, water has returned. Water is very important.
Oh.
Okay. No. Oh, no. Hey.
Oh no!
Ouch!
Hey!
Hello!
Nhộn.
Hey, let go.
Hello!
Okay. Okay. Go.
Hello!
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Treasury grows early. After a nosedive in Tokyo stocks, ripple through to European trade, most capital trade.
Huh?